Hey, what's going on, ladies and gentlemen? ANZD here with you, and I just want to shoot this quick video because I want to talk some more about how we can make money with the stock market and getting involved with the stock market, especially as a beginner. So over the last, months or so, I've been doing a lot with researching with how to make money in the stock market, being involved with the stock market, investing in the stock market, starting off by saving your money, with some platforms within the stock market. So one of my favorite platforms that I like to save money with is with Acorn. The Acorn platform is one of the best way as a beginner to start investing in the stock market. So how you can make money in the stock market is because while you investing now with Acorn, what Acorn do is put the money, they round up your money from when you purchase. So say if you purchase something for $3.50, they'll round it up to $4 and they'll take that 50 cents and they'll invest it in your portfolio account. So that's a good way to start investing and start earning money off the stock market by using the Acorn account, right? So once you establish your Acorn account and you put in about $10 plus the roundup, that's a great way to start investing and to start saving into the stock market. Now, once you get an idea of getting into the stock market and start saving, because the Acorn app is going to give you some information, some news, different statistics of how the stock market grew, how you can use the stock market to make money, which stocks is best, which indexes, funds, ETFs. They give you a variety of education. So once you start to understand that variety of education, then this is not financial advice, but I said to start being more invested in the stock market. So you can either continue through the Acorn account where they, you put money in there like $5-10 a week, and in addition to the roll-up money, and also by referring people to the Acorn account, you're able to make hundreds, even thousands of dollars just by referring people. You can click the link in the below. Right now they have a special that's going on where you can earn up to about $1,500 by referring people. But other than that, you're watching your money build up in the Acorn account now. What you want to do is get into another platform. Maybe you could do a Fidelity, maybe a Robinhood, maybe a Webull or something like that platform where you're going to start investing more into ETFs, investing more into shares of different stocks, shares of different company. And it does not have to be the whole share. It could be partial shares. So we get involved with the partial shares of the stocks, right? You don't have to buy the whole stocks because stocks will cost them. So you start investing in partial shares, preferably things that you already using. Like if you have an Apple phone, you invest in Apple. If you have AT&T or Verizon, you probably would like to invest in AT&T, Verizon. Verizon shares give you a dividend, so that's a good one to get involved with. So once you start investing and you have those platforms and you're setting up the stocks that you want, partial or the whole, portion of it, or you can do fractions of it, or just do the whole thing, you start to learn that you can start swing trading those. So that swing trading means if that you buy the stock at $100, but then it goes up to $110, within a week, you're gonna be able to sell off that stock and get a $10 profit. So that's trading it right there, and you're swing trading, so you profit off of swing trading. So you start to learn and get involved with the skills of trading. The skills of trading. So you start to learn the skills of trading. Once you learn the skills of trading, I suggest, not financial advice, but I suggest to get involved with some option trading, because option trading is one of the good ways to make money off of the stock market. With option trading, you're not buying the whole share, you're buying contracts. So contracts of a certain company, or contracts of a certain shares, asking or indicating that it's going to be either a put, that it's going to go down, or it's going to be a call. That means it's going to go up. So that are some ways that you can make money off of the stock market. You can start off by saving within it, then you can also get involved with investing. And once you start to save and invest, then you're going to build it up. You're going to start learning the idea of trading and start trading on the stock market. Best way I say to start trading is swing trading or doing stock option trading. All right? So once again, those are some great ways to get involved with the stock market, to start making money off of the stock market. Like I said, you can start off by saving with the Acorn app. You can start investing with apps or platforms such as Fidelity, Webull, and Robinhood. So once you start getting into that, learn the skills of trading, and you'll be able to make money off of the stock market even daily. You get involved with option trading. Option trading, you trade in contracts of certain companies, not the entire share. You're not buying the whole share and trading the share. What you're doing is you're buying contracts of these shares. And when you buy these contracts, you have the option now of selling it at a certain price by a certain date. So you're gonna either bet that the stock is gonna go up, or you're gonna bet that the stock is gonna go down. These are some of the best ways right now that we can use in order to make money off of the stock market. A great way to make money off of the stock market is using stock option and doing option trading, all right? So once again, check that out. If you have some more questions about it, then you can go ahead and hit me up. Leave a question in the comment section, and I'll try to answer these questions to the best of my ability. So once again, it's ANZD. Some little tidbits, some little nuggets of how you can make money off of the stock market. And I think option trading probably will be one of the best bets, all right? So talk to you later. Peace out.